Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CentMobile. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. CentMobile is a global communication provider with a proven multi-year track record of a revenue-generating international long-distance service and an established customer base. To log into CentMobile, go and click Open any web browser. Type in www.centmobile.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen. Type in your email address in the email address text field. Make sure to type in a valid email address that is associated with the account. Now, move on to the next field and type in your password. Again, make sure to type in the correct password in order to log into your account without any kind of a problem. You can double check your password by tapping on the Show Password button right here, and you can reveal your password before moving on. Now, tap on I'm not a robot, complete the task displayed on the screen, click on Verify, and finally tap on the Login button. Soon after you tap on Login, you'll be logged into CentMobile quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.